Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. It's still Friday, December the 8th, 2023. 7 puzzles we have here in this additional. The letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, one with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. And the first one I will do is the 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku. Let me zoom this in. 4 stars Sudoku number, I believe, 7, 5, 8, 4. 7, 5, 8, 4. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Should be at 2 stars because 2 stars puzzles has always 26. A 3 stars puzzle, 25. For 26 printed digits, I need 15 to 20 minutes. If it's really of 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes. That's my time limit. Alright, we'll see if this is a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle. So let's get started. There's a lot of eights, but I cannot start with 8. Okay, how about the 7 in this row? 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column. 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, last column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Can I continue with 8? No. No. Still, I cannot continue with 8. Okay. How about, yeah, we got you. We have a pair, 6 and 8 in the third column, 6 and 8 in the first column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 6 and 8 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. So we have 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8, 8, need to wait. Yeah, the 6. Yeah. Oh, wait. Up. 6 should be here. 6 should be there. Yeah, okay. So let me see. The 9 and the 1 here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 1. We have a 9 and a 1 in the first column, so no 9 and a 1 in these 3 boxes. 9 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes in this big square. 9 and a 1, 9 and a 1. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 1 goes there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, only place left for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in the second row. No 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in the third row. 1 in the second row. So in the first row. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 5 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 in these 3 boxes. Here, 5 in this column. No 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. Then 1 box left in the first column for the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. Yeah, the 4 is missing. Now. Let me see. How about, yeah. I'm thinking. 5. Need a 5 here. And I need a 6, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. Yeah. I'm thinking. No. No 6 and a 5 here. No 6 and a 5 there. So we have 3 numbers left. Okay. Now I need to think. No 4. Here should be the 4. Here should be the 4. Come on. Need a 3 here. Need a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. We have 3 in the column next, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. How about the 2? 2. Need a 2 here. And I need a 2 there. 2. Need a 2 here. 2, 4, 9. 2, 4, 9. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9. And look, we have a 4 and a 9 in this column, so no 4 and a 9 in this box. 4 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there, so 1 is left in this row. For number 2. Alright. And now, let me see. The 6. Come on. Well, two missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 2 and 6, 2 and 6. So one is left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and we have a pair, I believe. No. 4 missing numbers in this big square. Well, 3 missing numbers in the last row. 2 of those missing numbers in the last row are the numbers 2 and 4. We have 2 and 4 in this big square, so no 2 and 4 in this box. 2 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in the second column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there, so 1 digit left in the last row for number 1. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6. 5 and 6 cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers? The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 and the 6, we have a 5 in this row. No 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 to 4, we have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7, and 8 is missing. 6 and the 8 cannot fill this yet. Here also 6 and the 8, no. 2 missing numbers in this third column for us. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here still 6 and the 8. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers? The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 and a 6, overlook this 2. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 and 8, we have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Wow. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. Maybe this should be a 0 stars. But we solve it again. And I like this one, yes I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.